In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to FaceTime Android users. Yes, you heard that right. With the recent updates to FaceTime, you can now easily connect with your friends and family, even if they don't have an Apple device. So let's dive into the steps on how to do this seamlessly. To start, open the FaceTime app on your iPhone. Once you have the app open, you'll notice a new option that says Create Link. This feature is the key to connecting with Android users, so tap on Create Link. This link is what you'll use to invite your friends who are using Android to join your FaceTime call. After creating the link, the next step is to share it. You can send this link through various messaging platforms like iMessage, WhatsApp, or any other app you prefer. Just think of it as sending a digital invitation to join your call. Whether it's for a quick chat or an important meeting, sharing the link is just as easy as sending a regular message. Now copy the link and paste it into your messaging app of choice and send it off to your contact who's using an Android device. Once you've sent the link, the person on the Android device can open it using Google Chrome or any browser of their preference. It's quite convenient as almost every Android user will have access to a browser, making this step straightforward. When they open the link, they'll see an option to join the FaceTime call, at which point it's time for you to wait for them to join in. Now, as soon as an Android user clicks on your FaceTime link, you'll receive a notification for a join request on your device. This is simply them indicating that they are ready to join your call. Keep an eye on your notifications, and as soon as you see the request, tap join to accept them into the call, and voila! You're now connected via FaceTime despite the difference in operating systems. This cross-platform communication is a fantastic way to stay connected, breaking down the barriers between iPhone and Android users. Remember, all it takes is creating a FaceTime link and sharing it, and within minutes you can video call anyone, regardless of their phone's operating system. So go ahead, try this out and enjoy uninterrupted video calls with your Android using friends and family. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and happy FaceTiming.